To make offline presentations in Canva, select the document type you want to work with. Just something to note here is that it doesn't work on other document types on Canva. This is a video document type. It only works on presentation document types. So if you want to use another document types for this presentation, resize it into a presentation document type. So I'm going to hover these three dots here. See where it says enable offline presenting. I'm going to click on that. It says offline presenting saves data to your device. We don't recommend using this feature if you want to keep the contents of this design private. I'll click on continue. So the enabling process has initiated. It's doing an offline sync. So now it says offline design are all up to date. Please note that embedded media such as YouTube videos will not work without an internet connection. So I'm going to close this out. And I'm going to turn off my internet connection, disconnect. You see it says I'm offline and I can quickly present offline. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.